Welcome to the Personal Finance Podcast for Doctors. This podcast aims to simplify all aspects of personal finance and helps you make smart and informed choices about money so that you can live happier and stress-free lives. Today's episode is brought to you by Chanda Verma, who is a financial coach and vice president with the doctor practice at MFA, the only company in India having a dedicated practice for doctors.
हाय एवरीवन, नमस्ते। आज हम बात करेंगे क्रिकेट की। About 3 weeks back, we all celebrated, we cheered, we had tears of joy in our eyes. India had brought home the T20 World Cup. Since then, I have been watching a lot of videos, a lot of reels about our cricket team, on Virat Kohli especially, his discipline, his mindset, his focus. And I had a eureka moment. And today I want to share my learnings with you all today on this podcast. See, we all see the success of Virat, but not many of us know about the process behind this success. And I'll tell you why I'm saying the process behind the success. 2012 it was. It was the turning point in Kohli's life. India had played very badly in the IPL. For about 13 months, I think between 2011 2012, he wasn't selected for many matches. He took a hard look at himself and knew he had to change something. And at that moment, the next day, he made some conscious calls about the way he wanted to play his cricket and what all he wanted to change to make that happen. So what did he do? He set goals. उन्होंने goals तय किए. उन्हें कितने रन बनाने हैं, कितने हंड्रेड्स चाहिए, कैसे वो खेलेंगे, इस पे गोल नहीं बनाया. Instead, he made goals on how much effort he needs to make, how much rest he needs every day, what food he will eat every day, how much will he train, what training he will do. These were his goals. And now as we see, all this brought a change in him, his mindset, his performance. And even today, after all this tremendous success that he gained, which he contributes to this change, his goals haven't changed. They are the same, boring, routine. You know, I even saw videos where his team members joke about how boring Virat's life looks or how boring his plate looks, but they admire him for it. He does the boring stuff day in and day out. But the beauty of Virat's rise as a sportsman was in his boring routines. His path, extremely unassuming, nothing fancy about it. His philosophy was simple. Keep doing your stuff, keep doing what's important to you, keep ticking the boxes, the rest will fall in place. And wow, did it. And do you know what struck me the most about this? I see a resemblance in what Kohli did and what we tell our clients to do when it comes to money matters as the financial coach. It's a principle I and my team follow every single day. See, in our field of investment planning, there are lots of distractions. Your friend telling you about a stock he bought and how it gave him 200% profit. That property which is available near the Atal Setu area, which will appreciate a lot in future. It's the time to invest is now. Putting money in some PMS or some IPO, which is very good. News channels, online influencers talking about what are the hottest picks in the market. A family member or a friend who works as an investment banker and he gives you tips. The so-called experts on TV talking about where the market is going and what you should do. See, if Kohli had listened to a lot of distractions he had around him, he would have never focused on what he wanted out of his play. Similarly, if you get swayed and make your investment decisions based on all this noise, you will make a lot of mistakes and costly ones. And trust me, I have met more than 2,000 doctors in last 10 years and I have seen this happen. What we tell our clients is, if you want to be a successful investor, have a goal-based process for your money. लोगों को ये बोरिंग लगता है, बहुत easy, simple, unassuming लगता है. But what I learned, and it only got cemented from Virat Kohli's experience, was process को ही goal बनाओ. 3-step process to be used for your money matters. List down what is the purpose of your money, what you want the money to do for you so that it works harder for you, and where you need to be to achieve that. That's what Virat did. Second, take a stock of where you are, what decisions you have taken, how you've taken, what are the gaps, what can be improved, what you need to do. That's exactly what Kohli did. And third, small steps to be taken every day, every month, with your earnings, with your money, with your savings, as per the goal that you've set. Every day, every decision, every small step contributes to the larger journey, just like it did for Virat. Investing is not about where to invest, what products to put your money in. It's about the why and the how. Everything about Virat, his lifestyle, is boring. In his case, boring is essential. He knows his greatness was carved out of monotony. Performance and results weren't in his control. He controlled the controllables. He controlled his system, his preparations, his training. And therefore, that is what you should do. When it comes to money matters, your investment decisions, follow the process. The rest, more often than not, falls into place. So do not focus on how much returns I will get. Will my money double? Is this an exciting new customized IPO product? What's new in the market? My friend said that this PMS has given him good results. No. Focus on your life needs. Focus on what you want your money to do for you, your kids, your family. What brings you peace of mind? What is the risk appetite you can have? What is the risk you can take? What are the risks your family faces? And the returns eventually will fall in place for you. Focus on what you can control today. Can you contribute a bit more to your retirement fund this month? Can you avoid the temptation to sell during a market dip? Can you avoid taking stupid calls when the market is on an upward trend and people are talking to you about different other areas to invest in? Can you invest a bit if there is a correction? Can you ignore the financial news and networks? These are the short-term decisions that, when compounded, lead to long-term success. This is what I learned from Virat Kohli and his life and his efforts. I hope you get my message. Take care. Be good. Think about it.
You were listening to the Personal Finance Podcast for Doctors with Chanda Verma. If you find this podcast relevant and interesting, do share it with other doctors as well. It will be great if you leave a review, share, like and subscribe. You could also let us know if there is any specific topic that you would like us to cover. For any queries or help, you can get in touch with MFA's Doctor Practice Team at 892-800-6140.